This expense tracker keeps your income and expenses organized, saves your data, and gives you clear reports. And I'm going to build it completely with AI. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and search for Google AI Studio. Open the official website. I'm already signed in with my Google account, so I'll go straight to New App from the left sidebar. Now paste the prompt into the prompt box and click Build. After a few seconds, the app is ready. I'll skip the design changes for now and enable Firebase Firestore so our data can be stored permanently. Now let's open the app in full screen. Sign in. Before we start, sign in with your Google account. This connects the app to your account, so your income and expense data can stay saved when you come back later. Here's our expense tracker dashboard. First, let's add some income. Click Income, then Record Income. You can add different income sources with their dates and amounts. I'll add my monthly salary first. Now I'll add another income source, freelance work, and save it. And now our income is recorded. Next, let's add some expenses. Click Expenses, then Add Expense. Choose a category, enter the amount and date, and save it. I'll add 3 different expenses so we can see how the tracker works. The app keeps these records organized by date, month, and year. You can edit or delete any income or expense whenever you need to. You can also search and filter your records by category, making it much easier to find a specific transaction. You can export your records as a CSV file and check the complete report outside the app. Now let's check the Reports and Analytics section. Here, you can view your current month, previous year, or choose a custom date range. The app also gives you clear visual graphs so you can quickly understand where your money is going. You can also print the report or share it using the available sharing options. In Settings, you can sign out, change the currency, switch between light mode and dark mode, and manage your reports. And the app is fully responsive, so it works on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Here's the mobile view. And dark mode looks pretty clean too. Now for the important test. I'll sign out and then sign back in with the same Google account. And as you can see, all my previous records are still here. Nothing was lost because the data is saved in the cloud. Finally, let's deploy the app. Click Share, copy the real deployed link, open a new tab, and paste it in. And there's our expense tracker again, with the saved data available. So that's it. A simple AI-built expense tracker with income, expenses, reports, analytics, cloud storage, export, and mobile support. Thanks for watching.